Let me share with you an amazing story on how this SaaS bootstrapped its way to 100K in ARR. So they did so in a highly competitive market, and the product here is feature-based. And so let's take a look at some of their growth strategies, the challenges they faced, and how they turned their vision into reality. So it was written by Bruno, who's a co-founder at FeatureBase. So in terms of some highlights from the 2+ years they've been in business, they've turned down 3 acquisition offers, they've raised $0 and still own 100% of the business, and they have amazing customers that they get to build together with. So they didn't raise a big seed round or go to YC, have an audience, or leave their high-paying FANG jobs to start the next generation startup. So with the co-founder Robbie, they'd had a previous SaaS company when they were 14 years old, and they scaled their first startup from 0 to 20K in MRR in just 6 months. So this gave them a lot of confidence that they could do it again. So FeatureBase started with them looking at existing products to find something that was making money and wasn't too difficult to build a better version of. After completing their MVP, they launched on Product Hunt, Indie Hackers, Reddit, and some Discord communities. The results absolutely sucked, so they put the project on hold for over a year to build another business. The problem was they tried to market a product that lacked critical features and therefore was not adaptable to their target audience. So with version 2.0, they started getting some traction from Product Hunt, Alternative 2, Betalist, and other platforms. They didn't have all the features that their competitors supported, but the UX was decent and it was good enough for smaller teams. So paired with the lower price they had, they were able to market themselves as a cheaper alternative. So that was them getting from 0 to 10K in ARR. Let's go from 10K to 50K. So by building together with their users and using their own product, they slowly started to understand what it took to build something special in this space. They broke out what the average competitor looked like and took inspiration from many different industries to make something unique. So copying your competitors does not work in most cases. Instead, take inspiration from other industries to bring a breath of fresh air to your own market. In terms of how they acquired customers, they positioned themselves as an alternative to their existing competitors. So they ran Google ads and wrote blog posts to capture people who were looking to switch, and they made it super easy to switch as well by building migration tools. Going from 50 to 100K in ARR, they continued this strategy of capturing the bottom funnel and building the products to be one of the best in the industry. They also bumped up their pricing, their growth plan from $35 to $49 a month, and the premium plan from $79 to $99, and the signups did not change for them. It was definitely their highest impact, low effort change. That's always something to consider with pricing, is that it can make huge differences on how many signups your SaaS is going to get. I believe it was the founder of Profitwell who recommends revisiting your pricing strategy every 3 to 6 months and experimenting with new things. The worst thing that can happen is you just go back to your old pricing plan. In terms of their future, their goal is to continue their product-led growth strategy by investing in building a brand and, most importantly, a great product. They're incredibly thankful to all their customers for supporting their journey to build the best user feedback tool out there. So we take a look at FeatureBase itself. It's your central hub for collecting feedback and communicating updates. So you can capture and discuss feedback with your customers to find out what's impactful and announce new releases all in one tool. We can see different companies here such as user.com, Checkly, Fiberplane, MonSpark, and Screen Studio, making it really easy to create a feedback community. If we take a look at the pricing, they do have a free plan as well, which is helping with their product-led growth. If you've gotten this far, I'm sure you want to build your own SaaS or micro SaaS. There's a link in the description below where you can get sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. I also have a course on how to build your own micro SaaS, even if you don't have a product idea or any experience. It's a step-by-step academy, so there's a link in the description below for this as well. So this concludes the video on how this company bootstrapped to 100K in ARR. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.